Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video I want to talk about link building for SEO. In principle, the concept is really simple. You get other websites to link to your website so that you rank higher in search. In practice, however, link building can be pretty complicated. There are a few different ways to go about it, the easiest and least effective being manually posting links yourself. Posting links to your website on social media channels, forums, and business directories can generate some traffic, but because you control these links, search engines tend to see them as lower quality and therefore value them less highly for ranking your website. You can also generate backlinks by asking for them. It's not uncommon to trade backlinks with other smaller content creators. With that said, the highest quality backlinks come from people organically sharing your content. That means you need to be creating regular, excellent content that actually ties in to what people are searching for. In order to make that happen and generate those high-quality organic backlinks, you need to have an effective content marketing strategy. And that's something that we can help you with. If you're interested in producing fantastic content, then I encourage you to book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.